How to pin important messages in Google Chat. For this, you have to go ahead and open a browser and search for Google Chat. Then, open the Google Chat. Once you are in here, go ahead and select a conversation, either from your direct message or from one of the spaces that you have. Simply tap on the three dot icon next to the direct message and tap on Pin. Once you have done that, it is similar for spaces as well. Expand the space, tap on the three dot, then tap on Pin. Once you have pinned a conversation, the conversation will be at the top of the list of conversations. If you want to pin a certain message within the conversation, tap open the space or the direct message, hover around the message, then tap on the three dot. From here, you have to select the option of star, as we don't have the option of pin for a certain message. Now once you have tapped on the star option, it will be in the start location or the section. You just have to tap on the start option. Now right here, you will find all of the messages that you have started. However, it is starred or marked important for you only and not for anyone in your space or anyone in your direct message. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.